Hello everyone, I hope you're okay. Let's start our analysis for 14th of June 2024. Sorry. Well, let's see what's happening on the news. Right. Today, the 13th, we had some news, 1:30, and that was the main news we had. We'll check in shortly how the market moved according to the news. And today, which is 14th of June, we have 3 p.m. news. In gold, the rest is JPY news, which we don't trade normally. But however, if you trade JPY pairs, we have news as 12:30 a.m. and then 5:30 a.m. we have news. Right. So these are the news in these are the news which we are interested in. Mainly just 3 p.m. news. USD news, prelim UM and prelim UM inflation expectations. Right, let's go to the chart. Let's see what's happening in previous day, and you can see that market went to the downside. Previously, what market done? Touched the 50, almost 50% of the retracement of the previous day's candle, and now is market is moving to the downside. All right. Sorry about that. I was just closing my trades. Right. And it's daily chart, and you can see daily that market have broken this level. Which was earlier on, it was trying to keep on this levels. And we were expecting market to go further to the upside, but this candle on this side as level as well. Sometimes market does that, and also we are in negative news, positive news for the dollar, negative for the gold. So market came down from there, and then there was a level here as we discussed before, and in daily we has this pattern, and normally a level. We expect movement to the upside, and that's what the market did. Now in 4 hour, and so market kept going for 1 to 3 days in a row until it reached this level. And let's see how the market moved on this. Okay, on 4 hour you can see that we have the market was on the level here. As I said, the market kept going to the upside. And as you can see, this in 4 hours, there's a order block here where we had a market. Sorry, this Yeah, where we have the rejection. Right, we had rejection from here, from this order block in 4 hour, and this candle pattern on this level, 1 hour level here, showed us that on that possibility of reversal from here. So double top here, and liquidity sweep this, and now because the market is bullish, this structure level was broken, and to the upside BOS, which we call it normally. And let's see what's happening here now. And this level was broken here today. And market came down, went to the upside, and then broke in the level. And the multiple times you can see that. You go in a smaller time frame, that's what we see. It was in a smaller time frame. See this level is broken. So we had a sell trade here. It's aggressive sell because the level was broken and we could have a stop loss somewhere here. But then market retraced back, sell here, and now we have market moving to the downside, hopefully up to this level. Right. So for the trading purposes, for today, this was a level, and market rejected from here. We have next levels here. Because the market is rejected from this level here. There's a wick here. Right, from this level, market is rejecting. So it's possible that we make a double bottom here and go to the top and further test this level before it comes down. In fact, around this whole area will be tested before market can come down. However, if this level is broken, we can see the movement to the upside. So that's it, guys. So I hope it's clear. Probably the best scenario in our case is that we wait for this level to be broken and retest and then sell trade up to at least up to here. Or we can see, because we got level here as well. So on the break and retest, we can take a buy trade. So that's what's happening at the moment. So I hope you got what I'm trying to say. Thank you very much. Have a good day. Good night. Bye bye.